defining a new category to be like, it's like this thing and it orients people, but here's how we do it differently or better or make it easier for you. And I'm sure they'll invest and do different things too.
I think you're always looking for a big brand to challenge. I mean, that's the purpose of the startup, right? Like, what's the point to open another company if you don't challenge what the status quo is? So that's what I like about this. That is not that, not this. There's a lot of other examples across the industry that did exactly that. Look at HubSpot. Right? That's exactly that story. It was not fitting
Yeah.
this and it was not fitting that, and for a long time. And there's a price tag right now that the Google is contemplating about, right? 31 billion. That's a lot of money for something that was not defined.
Yeah. It's also true about Monday.com. Like when we just started, so people was like, "What is it? Is it Excel? Like it's Excel on steroids? Like what is this thing?" Like, and it was really hard to like say who is the competition? What is it like? People was like, "So is it a competition of Slack?" We're like, "No, it's like a work management platform." Like I think it was really hard to explain in the beginning what is it. And the reason is exactly as you're saying, is like when you're questioning the status quo about how things work today and how it can work better. So it's hard to define a specific competitor, but it does good that we have like a market landscape, and then they can map us a little bit in the market. Yeah.
Yeah, like, it's always nice to be like, "Oh, I can replace these 3 tools and reorient this team with this one tool," and I think HubSpot's a really good example, especially as you talk about, like, you're working with some smaller companies and helping them out. Often, like, these tools, like Clary and others, were reserved when you have a lot of money to invest into tools, so you're a bigger company, and that's what HubSpot did well. They're like, "You can be early days and work with us, and we have a product offering for you."